Welcome fam. You ever wake up feeling slow, like your body's stuck in sleep mode, even after a full night's rest? Today's flow is all about activation. This isn't just about stretching, it's prep. Let's hit the mat. We start by reconnecting to the ground, because before you move fast, you need to move freely. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Hinge forward, letting your arms dangle. Swip your fingertips gently side to side across your toes. Breathe, sway, let gravity work for you. You can feel the deep stretch through the hamstrings, calves, and lower back. Light opening in the outer hips. This wakes up your back line, your body's power chain. I promise you'll feel grounded and limber before we load the legs. Next up, hip control and balance, fully standing. Can you drop your chest just an inch lower without forcing it? Are you relaxed or are you bracing for movement that hasn't come yet? That just unlocked your back. Now let's open up your hips. If your hips feel rusty, this is how we grease the gears. Stand tall, drive one knee towards chest, then rotate it outward. Alternate sides with control, don't rush, keep your core engaged. You're gonna feel a stretch in the hips, a lift from the core, control through your glutes. Hip rotation is one of the most neglected movements, but it's essential for stride length, balance, and joint health. Rotational mobility reduces strain on your knees. Try holding each lift for a full breath. Are you letting your hip open, or is your torso helping too much? That just woke up your stride. Let's build into strength. Your legs are strong, but this move reminds them how to lead. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, back knee bends slightly, chest stays lifted. Push off the front heel to return. Alternate. You're gonna feel your hip flexor opening, glute engaging, and quad activating. Lunges build unilateral control. One of the keys to athletic, injury-resistant movement. Next up, we add rhythm and pace. Can you land softer and stand taller with each rep? Are you powering through the front foot or letting the back leg take over? That just stabilizes your stride. Now let's bring in movement. This isn't a stretch, it's a wake-up call for your lateral chain. Slight bend in the knees, athletic stance. Step right, tap left foot in, then left tap right in. Keep moving, light and controlled. You're gonna feel your outer glutes, adductors, and some light cardio. Most people only move forward and back, but athletic power lives in side-to-side control. Lateral steps fire up your stabilizers without heavy impact. Stay low and controlled for 5 more seconds. Are you gliding through it or bouncing out of rhythm? That just lit up your lateral power. Now let's sharpen your reflexes. Balance, power, control. This is your final test. Step your right leg behind into a curtsy. Tap your right hand to your left toes. Alternate sides at a steady athletic pace. You're gonna feel a glute burn, core tension, and coordination locked in. This move ties together balance, reactivity, and control. You're not just stretching, you're training. This is the foundation for explosive movement without needing to explode. Can you keep your hips square and your chest lifted? 5 more seconds. Are you reaching with control or chasing the movement? That just finished your athletic reset. You're mobile, balanced, and primed. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours, when you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.